What's going on, YouTube? This is Sick Eric back again with another video, and the time has come. It is Galaxy S season, and I just got the Galaxy S9 Plus in and delivered today. So this is the S9 Plus. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing. As you can see, I got the coral blue, 64 gigabytes, some stuff on the back. So you can pause. Really not much details on the back. And T-Mobile variant. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, show you what comes in the package, and then power it on and show you storage and bloatware and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let's do this. So typical Samsung packaging, same as last year and the year before. You get the black box, black sleeve with the blue metallic lettering on there. So nothing has changed really. Let's go ahead and crack the seal open. I'm very excited for this. I've been waiting for this phone ever since I heard the first specs of it come out. Stereo speakers, better improved camera, and new colors. So let's go ahead and jump down into it. First thing you're going to get is this packet. I like this, how they put it on top of the phone. That way it sort of protects the phone, you know, shipping and stuff like that, rather than having the phone up top. And stuff you get in here is your typical booklets and shit. You get your start guide, terms and conditions, blah blah blah, and your SIM injection tool right there. Same stuff from last year. Toss that aside, and then you get the phone. And here is the phone in the coral blue. Let's go ahead and set that aside. It is a little bit heavier than the S8 Plus, I think, because the glass is a little bit thicker, and the phone is a little bit thicker as well. But it feels really, really nice in the hand. You get this tray, T-Mobile stuff. You get your little OTG connector to USB-A to C. That way, if you want to switch, transfer files from another phone or plug in a mouse and all of that, you could use that with this. You get your adaptive fast charger right there. If I get this to focus, adaptive fast charger, all the stuff on the back. And over here you get a USB-A to USB Type-C charging connector, and USB, you know, transfer files and stuff, and charge your phone. Everything is black just like last year. Glad they went away from the white stuff. Gets dirty really easily. Got so many of these cables now. And same as last year, of course, with the S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, you get your AKG tuned earbuds. Really, really nice. I really enjoy these earphones. They're really durable. I got like, well, now 4 pairs of these, and they sound great. So, and then last but not least, you get your little ear tips in case you got big ears, small ears, whatever. So you get all of that in the package, which is really, really nice. Typical Samsung packaging. So let's go ahead and move all this stuff out of the way. Put everything back in the box, and let's get down into the phone. So here is the Galaxy S9 Plus. See a little plastic on there showing you how to install the SIM, micro SD card, information on the back. This is the coral blue version. Let's see if I can get a little bit more lighting on here to show you that. So let's go ahead and do the best part of this. Is taking off the plastic. Yes, come through. And that is that. Let me go ahead and take the sticker off. And no residue on that. So this is the coral blue version of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Really, really beautiful color. It was either this or black for me, but I went ahead and got the blue. Really beautiful. Phone feels great in the hand. I love it. At the bottom, you got your USB Type-C. You got your headphone jack, your speaker, which is now stereo speakers, so it uses this speaker and the earpiece for your sound. Tweeter, lows, so that's pretty cool. Right hand side, you got your power button. Everything is pretty much the same as the S8 and the S8 Plus. You got your SIM tray, micro SD card tray up to 400 gigabytes, I believe. So that's pretty cool, and that I'm going to be getting a 400 gigabyte card anyways. Bixby button, power rock, volume rocker. And then on the back is where the magic is. You got your dual camera setup, fingerprint sensor in a nice convenient spot. Samsung logo, Galaxy S9 Plus branding right there. So it's really nice. It is got some protective plastic along the metal frame. Metal frame is sort of a matte finish now. It's not shiny like last year's was, which is pretty good. It'll show less scratches, so that's pretty nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and power this on. I'm going to set it up, and then I will be back to show you guys some of the storage and if there's any bloatware or not. So don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so we're back again, and went ahead and went through all the setups and everything. So we got a system download for a system update, which is expected. It's just a security patch for March, I believe. So let's go ahead and jump down and check out storage and see how much storage is on here. Let's go ahead and go in here, and let's go ahead and check out how much storage is being used. So system is 14 gigabytes. Unnecessary data 2.59 megabytes. Available space 49.9 gigabytes of storage available. And keep in mind, you also do have a micro SD card expansion, so that is really nice. Let's go ahead and go back home and check out some of the bloatware. Now I don't like the little folders, so I'm just going to, well, I do like the folders, but alphabetically I like to sort it that way. So from Google, you get all your Google stuff right there. From Samsung, these are all the apps you get preloaded on here. I'm not sure if you could get these. Yeah, you can uninstall these, so that is nice. Secure folder, Samsung Health. Gear I will be using since I have a Gear S2. And Smart Things, maybe. But as far as bloatware, that seems to be it. T-Mobile, visual voicemail, see if we can uninstall that. And yes, you can. Device unlock. You can't really disable that T-Mobile app. You can't disable that. What a shame. But as far as bloatware, that's really not too bad. So that is pretty nice. Pretty happy with that. And like I said, here is the phone in all its beauty. I cannot wait to use this phone and continue it and do my reviews and stuff. So here is the Galaxy S9 Plus, and that was my unboxing. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content. Be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. That way you know whenever I release a video on this phone. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, found it useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.